You don't need a marketing agency to look professional. You need a repeatable system. AI can be that system. Most motorcycle repair shops fall into the same trap. You're great at repairs, but social media and website updates happen when there's time. AI fixes that by speeding up content creation and keeping your brand voice consistent. Here's a simple weekly content engine. Monday, road trip ready checklist post. Wednesday, quick before after photo with a one paragraph explanation. Friday, a promo or reminder, tires, brakes, service specials. Bonus, a 15-second shop tip video on your phone. Tools like Canva and Magic Studio can help generate clean graphics, captions, and even draft blog content fast, so you stay consistent without a dedicated marketing team. The secret is prompts. Instead of make a post, try write a friendly 80-word Instagram caption for a spring safety inspection. Include 3 bullet benefits, a caution for riders, and a call to book. Paste the caption into Canva, pick a template, drop in your logo, and schedule it. Want to go next level? Use AI to personalize offers. If a customer had tires done last season, send a check-in before peak riding months. Quick tread and pressure check, free in 10 minutes. That's how you turn a database into repeat customers.